Cooking can be an art form, a source of joy, and even a way to bring people together. But without the right tools, it can also be a frustrating chore. If you've ever struggled with pots that burn your food, strainers that spill half your pasta, or steamers that just don't perform, you know the pain of inferior cookware. This Oster Sangerfield stainless steel cookware 5-quart pasta pot set, a meticulously designed, all-in-one solution that elevates your cooking experience. This versatile cookware set isn't just about making pasta. It's about transforming your kitchen into a space of efficiency and ease. Whether you're whipping up a hearty stew, steaming fresh vegetables, or preparing a family-sized portion of spaghetti, this set has you covered. Crafted with durable stainless steel and an encapsulated aluminum base, it ensures even heat distribution, eliminating those pesky hotspots. What makes it truly unique is its multifunctionality. The set includes a 5-quart pasta pot, a tempered glass lid, a strainer insert, and a steamer insert, all thoughtfully designed to meet your culinary needs. And the best part? Its polished stainless steel surface is non-reactive, easy to clean, and looks stunning in any kitchen. A detailed look at what's included. The Oster Sangerfield pasta pot set is more than just another cookware bundle. It's a complete kitchen system. Here's what you get. 1. 5-quart stainless steel pasta pot. The heart of this set, the 5-quart pot, is perfect for preparing everything from soups to stocks, and of course, pasta. The durable stainless steel construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the encapsulated aluminum base evenly distributes heat for consistent results. 2. Steamer insert. This accessory makes steaming vegetables, dumplings, or seafood a breeze. Simply place the steamer insert over the pot, and you have a healthy cooking option in seconds. 3. Strainer insert. Say goodbye to messy colanders. The strainer insert allows you to drain pasta, rice, or boiled vegetables with ease, directly over the pot. 4. Tempered glass lid. The tempered glass lid lets you monitor your cooking progress without lifting the lid, ensuring optimal heat retention and flavor preservation. Key features that set it apart. 1. Polished stainless steel finish. The pot's stainless steel construction not only ensures durability, but also adds a sleek, polished look to your kitchen. Its non-reactive surface won't alter the flavor of acidic foods like tomato sauce, making it a versatile option for all your recipes. 2. Encapsulated aluminum base. Even heat distribution is essential for consistent cooking, and this pot's encapsulated aluminum base delivers exactly that. No more worrying about unevenly cooked meals. 3. Stay cool handles. Safety is paramount in the kitchen. The riveted handles remain cool to the touch, giving you a secure grip even when the pot is hot. 4. Dishwasher-safe design. Cleaning up after cooking is often the least enjoyable part, but the Oster Sangerfield set is dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. For those who prefer to hand wash, its smooth surface ensures effortless maintenance. 5. Multifunctional use. From steaming vegetables to boiling pasta and even simmering soups, this set is designed to tackle multiple cooking tasks. Its versatility means fewer pots and pans cluttering your kitchen. Why choose the Oster Sangerfield pasta pot set? 1. Convenience meets quality. Whether you're an experienced chef or a home cook, this set makes meal preparation easier and more enjoyable. The combination of a pasta pot, steamer, and strainer in one set eliminates the need for multiple tools, streamlining your cooking process. 2. Durability. You can trust. The stainless steel construction and encapsulated aluminum base ensure this cookware will stand the test of time. It's an investment in quality that pays off with every meal. 3. Healthier cooking options. The included steamer insert encourages healthier cooking by allowing you to steam vegetables, fish, and more. It's perfect for those looking to maintain a balanced diet without sacrificing flavor. 4. Elegant design. Beyond functionality, this set's polished stainless steel finish adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. It's cookware you'll be proud to display. 5. Affordable luxury. High-quality cookware often comes with a hefty price tag, but the Oster Sangerfield set offers premium features at a budget-friendly price. Final thoughts. A kitchen essential. This Oster Sangerfield stainless steel cookware 5-quart pasta pot set is more than just cookware. It's a solution to everyday kitchen challenges. Its thoughtful design, durable materials, and versatile functionality make it an excellent addition to any home. Whether you're preparing a quick weekday dinner or hosting a family gathering, this set ensures your cooking experience is seamless and enjoyable. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.